What's up, everybody? Today we're going to run through count and a few of the iterations that are offshoots of it. So right here, this one, count. It's going to count every numeric value you have. So you see we have 1, we highlight all these, we've got a count of 10. So all we do, simple enough, equals count. You can hit tab or double click it, and you select your range. I want all that, close the parentheses, enter. We have 10 numeric values. Beautiful. Now we want to find everything that's not a blank. So just anything it could be numeric, it could be text, it could be a space, anything like that. Equals count A. Counts the number of cells in a range that aren't empty. Highlight this again, the exact same range, and we get 11. Picks up this green right here. Now we're going to count the blanks. Maybe you have a huge column of data, you want to see how many errors are there, or how many things have not been entered. No problem. Equals count blank. Highlight the range, the exact same as you did. 1. We only have the one blank cell. Yep, checks out. COUNTIF. So right now we're going to say values over 100. So we have this many, which is 8. Same as here. So we're going to go equals COUNTIF. And what's the range? Same thing. Nothing changed here. We'll hit a comma. And the criteria. This one we have to add the quotation marks, the greater than sign, quotation marks again to close it out because it's a text function, it's a text string that it's going to read. Hit the and, so shift 7, ampersand, and then we're going to enter our number here. I want 100. Then we close the parentheses, and there we go. You'll see right here, if we go to 200, we should get 5 results. Let's change it to 200. 2. There it is. Alright, now you can run through most count functions and do pretty crazy things with them if you nest these in other functions, things like that. This has been helpful. Share it with whoever. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.